Here we are, just on the edge of Exminster, the small village between Dawlish and Exeter. As you can see, there's quite a lot of floods lately. All these, well, they are bare wetlands. The weather has been quite wet for the last week, so I thought I'd get out today. It's a fairly nice-ish day, about 12 degrees, so not too bad for this time of year. We've just come off the X Trail, which runs from Starcross to Exminster, all the way through to Exeter. That looks pretty deep. Not sure I want to go through that now. That was quite deep where that van was. I just turned around because that puddle is way too deep, and the guy in the van said it was even deeper around the corner. So there is another path which you can head for. It's a bit further down the X Trail, so we'll go for that way. You can see how much water we've had. Just don't know when it's going to stop raining. That's the Exeter Canal. There's just as much water over there, and that's not supposed to be there. So this is the next path. We'll try this one. That's a lot of flooding. I think we're going to get wet. Not too bad. I don't want to go much deeper than that. So this is the turn off the A379. Exminster's got two pubs. I think they're both still open. The one's called the Royal Oak, and there's one just up here. Can't remember the name. This is all fairly modern-ish. Comes into a path here, little cinder path. Quite sure where this goes. I think this one just goes to the main road, back where we've just come off. We'll have a look. Park there for the residents. I've never been along this bit before. That's another part of the estate, by the looks of it. Brunel View. See the hills. That looks like it. A dead end. And obviously I like to get out on the wheel as much as I can, so it's good to make videos like this. I just hope people like to see them. There's quite a few on my channel now. I'm also learning new skills, trying to ride backwards, which is proving to be very difficult, but I will master it, because I remember when I first got a wheel, it was a V10F, and it was really difficult to even get on it, so it will be mastered. This is the main road for the town. I'm going to go down this little lane here. Got a feeling this is where I've just come from, or the sister church. Yeah. Welcome to St. Martin's, the Reverend John Williams. Unfortunately, there's a lock on the gate. There we are, back on the main road. What's down there? Funny when you're not sure where you are and you just think, oh, that looks interesting. You might venture onto something you haven't seen before. Old properties, all decorated for Christmas. Bit of renovation going on. It goes out of town with a little cul-de-sac close. This little estate. More bungalows. These ones look a bit more modern in the front. I don't believe these are the ones I was at before, but it is actually. That's where it came out before. That turn in there, I went through it. Full decks, black cat. Hopefully that's not rain coming. Certainly had a certain style of house to be put here, didn't they? Back up into the estate. That wind's picking up as well, starting to blow me about a bit. We're going to go through these gates. So there's a big house up there. It used to be a hospital, so we'll have a look up here. It's all residential now, apartments. Not sure there's any houses on the main building, but there are, as you can see, either side. Yeah, and here comes the rain. Damn. That was not forecast. That'll fill the roads and the rivers up a bit more. We don't need. Yeah, we're going to go straight across here. Have a whiz round here. Devington Park, and you can see the layout there. Let's have a spin. Sure they won't mind. I think it was a hospital years ago. I will put some information up on the screen, give you a bit of history. Interesting. Tower in the background as well, very nice. That looks nice, looks like a penthouse, I think. Yeah, nice little courtyards, lovely. Make sure you get on with your neighbours. A lovely property. Stonework's nice. Brickwork. It is stones, isn't it? Yeah. Stonework at the bottom, brickwork at the top. Back round the other side at the front, I believe. How did you get to that clock tower then? Oh, there it is up there. Didn't see that when I come in. Yeah, beautiful. Devington Park. Very nice. Now we're just coming back down onto the main road that goes through the village. There's a pub over here on the left. And the pavement. As we ride through the high street. And then we're going to head home. That's the church we went past earlier on, right around the graveyard. We've got a traffic jam. Take a little ride through the village to the next pub, the Royal Oak, and that is more or less it. Exminster will be complete. Hope you've liked the video. Please hit that like button if you have. Also, please subscribe and press that bell for more videos like this one. And your comments are also very welcome. If you want to see something different, ask any questions about where I am, what I do, please feel free. The Royal Oak is approaching. Another estate here. Place goes on and on and on. I never knew there was so much in it. bridge. And that looks like it does a good circuit, this one. And it looks like it's heading in the right place for me to make my way home.